Okay, so here we are at SEMA and we have a Dropracks, and of course we have to meet the owner.
Hey guys, my name is Rowie. This is my 2004 GX470. We're here at the SEMA Show 2024. Let's take you around the car. First notice, there's a Dropracks. We have the XL version with Pelican cases on top. As you can see, it's fully deployed right now. Ease of access. Very well thought out product. Very well built as well. Very easy to install. I installed it myself. We got the vent right here. It just goes all the way up there, and then that way, when it's fully deployed like this, we can access the rack very easily. You know, you save your back. I have a bad back too, so this helps a lot. So as we go around the car, as you can see, you notice the Perfection film. This is the Mojave Desert color. Also, you'll notice the wet wheels. We're going for a brown bronze theme on the car. Running Toyo tires, open country RTs on all 5 in the spare. Fortune Auto Dreadnought coilover system, lift kit. A bunch of accessories from Kama, Rough Country, JW Off-Road, Black View, anti-gravities. We go inside. We are running 4 energy seats, the Defender seats, which are suspension seats made for off-road. Also running the energy steering wheel, JW Molly panel accessories. As you can see, the dash cam over there with Black View. Black View actually brought the car here for SEMA, so thank you to Black View for sponsoring the vehicle as well. And as we go here to the other side, yeah, metal bumper there too. Rough Country online. Rough Country 270 awning that deploys all the way to the back. Pelican cases are on board as well. Got the spare Wet Wheels Mud Van 08 here. And then as you can see, we got a bunch of free goodies at SEMA here. So please excuse the mess. We got a Rough Country fridge with a slider, Scotty grill, Beamer box speaker system. We got a table right here. So again, thank you to Dropracks for stopping by, checking out the build, and I hope you see you guys next year.